Want to remove Passkey in Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to remove Passkey in Roblox Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tap on the More button from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the Settings button. After that, click on the Account Info button. Here you have Manage button next to Passkey. Click on it. Now tap on the trash bin icon beside your passkey. You won't be able to log in to Roblox with passkey anymore. So if you're sure, tap on the delete key button. You need to verify your passkey to confirm, so tap on the verify button. Now enter your password of Roblox and tap on the verify button. And that's how you can remove passkey in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.